Good evening students. Good evening to all. Students, today I will explain simple trick for IUPAC naming of dicarboxylic acids. Students, please remember one point here. This simple trick only applied for saturated dicarboxylic acids but not unsaturated dicarboxylic acids. Now students, let us take a few dicarboxylic acids. The first one oxalic acid, and the second one malonic acid, and third one succinic acid, and fourth one glutaric acid, and fifth one adipic acid. So students, first of all, what are the difference between these dicarboxylic acids? So students, here oxalic acid indicates 2-carbon dicarboxylic acid. Oxalic acid indicates 2-carbon dicarboxylic acid. Malonic acid indicates 3-carbon dicarboxylic acid, and the succinic acid indicates 4-carbon dicarboxylic acid, and glutaric acid indicates 5-carbon dicarboxylic acid, and adipic acid indicates 6-carbon dicarboxylic acids. So that is the difference between these 5 dicarboxylic acids. Now students, our simple trick for these 5 types of dicarboxylic acids is O my such good apples. So students, here O indicates oxalic acid. Next, my indicates malonic acid, such indicates succinic acid, good indicates glutaric acid, apples indicates adipic acid. So this is our simple trick students. Now next concept, the simple trick for IUPAC name of these dicarboxylic acid is alkane X, Y dioic acid. Now students, here alkane, alk indicates root word, means number of carbon atoms present in given organic molecule, and also X and Y indicates first carbon and also last carbon. So for example, in oxalic acid the structure like this, here X value 1 first carbon, Y value 2 second carbon. Okay, next one students, oic acid. Oic acid is the, according to IUPAC system, it is the oic acid is the suffix name of carboxylic acids. So that's why the complete IUPAC name of dicarboxylic acids alkane X, Y dioic acid. So students, now the first example, oxalic acid. Students, in oxalic acid contains 2 carbon atoms. 2 carbon atoms indicates root word eth plus ane. So ethane X, Y. Here X value 1 and Y value 2. So X, that is X, Y means here 1, 2. So ethane 1, 2 dioic acid. Ethane 1, 2 dioic acid. So students, here according to our simple trick, what is the IUPAC name of oxalic acid? Ethane 1, 2 dioic acid. So now students, the second example, malonic acid. The second example, malonic acid. The second one is the malonic acid. Malonic acid is the 3-carbon dicarboxylic acid. The structure like this, and the CH2, COOH and the COOH. So it is the dicarboxylic acid, and according to IUPAC system, so 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbon atoms are present here. So 3 carbon atoms indicates, according to IUPAC nomenclature, the root word is the prop. So prop plus ane, propane, and X value 1 first carbon 1, Y value 3 and the last carbon 3. So prop 1, 3 dioic acid. Dioic acid. So this is the IUPAC name of malonic acid students, propane 1, 3 dioic acid. Okay, next one students, third one, succinic acid. Succinic acid. Third example, succinic acid. Students, succinic acid contains how many carbon atoms here? 4 carbon atoms, and 4 carbon dicarboxylic acid is the succinic acid is the common name. Now students, the structure 4 carbon atoms means the 4 carbon atoms arrangement in succinic acid like this: CH2, CH2, COOH, COOH, because of it is the dicarboxylic acid. So students, according to IUPAC nomenclature, so the numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. Students, according to IUPAC nomenclature, if the 4 carbon atoms are present, then students, the root word is the but plus n butane, but plus n butane, the x value 1 comma, y value last carbon 4, so 1 comma 4 dioic acid. So students, butane 1 comma 4 dioic acid is the IUPAC name of succinic acid. So this is the IUPAC name of succinic acid, students. The next one, fourth example is the glutaric acid. Fourth one is the glutaric acid. Students, glutaric acid contains how many carbon atoms? 5 carbon atoms. Glutaric acid contains 5 carbon and 5 carbon atoms. It is the 5 carbon dicarboxylic acid. The structure like this: CH2, 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 COOH and COOH. Students, here according to IUPAC nomenclature, the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x value 1 first carbon, y value 5 that is the last carbon. So students, according to IUPAC nomenclature, if the 5 carbon atoms are present, then the root word is pent. So pent plus n, that is the pentane, and x value 1 comma, and y value 5. So pentane 1 comma 5 dioic acid. So students, pentane 1 comma 5 dioic acid is the IUPAC name of glutaric acid. Next one, students, the last one, fifth example, adipic acid. Adipic acid. Students, adipic acid is the how many carbon atoms? Dicarboxylic acid, 6 carbon atom dicarboxylic acid. Adipic acid is the 6 carbon atom dicarboxylic acid. Students, the structure like this: CH2, 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 COOH and COOH. So there are 6 carbon atoms are present, students. So numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So students, here according to IUPAC nomenclature, so 6 carbon atoms indicates the root word hex plus n, hexane, x value 1, y value 6. So hexane 1 comma 6 dioic acid. So hexane 1 comma 6 dioic acid is the IUPAC name of adipic acid. Students, this is the simple trick for IUPAC naming of few dicarboxylic acids which are saturated but not unsaturated. So students, once again, this simple trick only applied for saturated dicarboxylic acids. So students, thank you to all. I hope you understand, students, this concept.